Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Menteri Sarkar berdekmi yakatnat ki kampo ieng jong Sarkar jela. James PK Sangma haka khat pratarek mentau benai kalalengkot arajar kat khandai. Ula Plie yak Dorbar ba jong ki Vice Chancellor jong ki skol ba bapero per kari. Kabala pelong haka skol ba North Eastern Hill University Shillong. Haka ba palat ndrup hongon ki Vice Chancellor ki bahap apo ka Eastern Zone ki lawan shementa haka ni ka Dorbar ba. James PK Sangma habakran haka ni kasngi kumukongsan. Ulaong bakalong kapadon kame hadu kata-kata bandan kum kini ki Dorbar ne ki jelang jong ki kle nong penyan jong ki skol ba jong kani kathan chatila mingi knang bakan yarap yaki bakin sngu thu kumno ban panwandor janai bat ban pan bhai ka puli puthi jong ki samla puli bat kumjuru ban wanra yaki rukom hikai haki kamra class haki jing hikai da ka bayai lang kat kum ka jing tulon jong kapor hakani ki jelang James PK Sangma wala pun ko buramru yaki arngot kinong sengkam kibadai ki trai jela ki bakun thop yo samla James E Dhar bat yakakong dasumar len majau.
I believe that these meets provide a platform to member vice chancellors not only for discussing the issues pertaining to higher education and the problems being faced by the universities, but also it plays a pivotal role in carrying the voice of the leaders of higher education to appropriate authorities. I take this opportunity to express my appreciation to the Association of Indian Universities for all the effort taken up by them to get the recognition of the degrees and the diplomas awarded by the universities in India which are recognized by the UGC and abroad for the purpose of admission to higher degree courses in Indian universities. Also the role played by them as an implementing agency for the agreements signed under the cultural exchange programs executed between India and other countries in the field of education. I also further acknowledge the initiatives and programs of the AIU in strengthening and popularizing Indian higher education as leading edge system in the world and promoting greater national and international collaboration in higher education, research and extension, sports, youth and cultural affairs activities. I'm happy to learn that matters relating to higher education with specific reference to the university system in the concerned region will be discussed during this program, namely through the themes or topics which are being covered under the different technical sessions which include, I was going through them, higher education and sustainable development goals, the curriculum alignment in higher education to implement skill development and enhancing global and regional relevance, skill development through higher education, enhancing employability and entrepreneurship these are so important, and I'm very thankful for these topics and themes which have been chosen. Professor Furqan had mentioned about the punishments to the engineer, the doctor and the teacher. And the teacher was given 10 years of punishment for being the person who taught the engineer and the doctor. I think out of courtesy he left out the politician because the politician is the one who made the policy by which the teacher was appointed. So that did not end there. The politician got 100 times the punishment. Our former President, His Excellency Pranab Mukherjee, had spoken about the demographic dividend of our country, and I quote, "We have rich demographic dividend, but this is a challenge also, to provide jobs for them. I'm scared that demographic dividend may be converted into demographic liability unless we think about it. Leaders and administrators will have to think how to tackle it," unquote. Therefore, it's very important that there is a synergic relationship through productive interactions between the academia and the government or political leaders if we may put it in that way, be it the union or the state governments, to ensure that the best and optimum results towards our common goals can be achieved.